The next website I selected is called ReadTheory. I chose this one because the other fifth grade teacher that I work with actually uses it in her room. She gets some really great reports from this website, so I thought that I would try it in my room. The purpose of ReadTheory is to allow students time to practice reading silently, and then they answer comprehension questions after they have read a story. So I went ahead and I created an account. So you can add your students to the account once you make it. And then you can have different classes if you have multiple different groups maybe that you wanted to create within it. And then it gives you different progress reports. I haven't used it yet, so I can't see any of those reports, but here's an example of what the students do. Here, I'll show you second grade. So this would be like a second grade. They read the story and then they have questions that they answer that go with it. You can print these out, or you can assign them, or students just get on and they're there for them to do. The cool thing is once they complete the assessment online, then you can go and look and see what questions they missed, see what their Lexile level is, and you can track their progress as well.